What is going on, my party people? Just want to drop this quick video. Y'all know how the algorithm be tripping and stuff like that, so I want to get that out there. You've seen this video many times, so no intro, no outro. Let's jump right into it. Shout out to the Navy Exchange. We over here still getting adjusted, but we still getting our shoes. Like I already said, I don't have to have it early, long as I get them. So you already know what time it is, because we got the Carolina blue box. See that price? $149. Then I had 2 gift cards. I got these joints for $100, suggested retail price, $190, size 10 and a half, official colorway, white, Valor, blue, tech gray. Like these joints are limited GR. I like the way they did this shoe with the elephant print. You got the puka hole right there, and you got the UNCV colorway, like there, like so. I put my receipt in there. I don't know if they put it on here or not. Let me see. 49, and I bought some other stuff, but as you can see already right there, it's a discount 146, but they put the gift cards at the bottom, so you just gotta take my word for it. These this week, if you didn't watch Who Has the Heat, and there goes my receipt. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Now, as you checking out this shoe, this was the shoe on this week on Who Has the Heat, who brought home the bacon. If you didn't check it out on Sis313 channel. Retro Queen, it'll be in the comment suggestion below, or description bar below, along with the bros, PMKICKZ. I like this shoe. At first, I didn't like it, but very well done, in my opinion, Jordan brand. Now, as you can see, you got the gray Carolina blue Jordan with the navy blue hits there. White, of course, if you ain't on, you got to clean the bottom right. Low cuts on the elephant print here on the white. This is what makes this shoe to me better than the black cement. For some reason, the elephant print looks better on the black cement. I know I might get killed on the comments, but hey, that's my opinion. You can see the leather is very soft like a baby's butt. Perforated holes. I don't know about this jump man. He looked like he got a full belly. His opu is full. Got butt crack Jordan, all puffy. Right there, you got leather on the tongue, like so. Come around the side, you got the eyelets, you got the perforated holes, you got the Carolina hits here, the navy blue hit here. It's a Tinker Hatfield shoe, right? Nice with the white paint, with the Carolina blue, and then you see you got your air unit right there, like so. I mean, look at that. You get up close and personal. You got that rankle stankle. Look at it, very dope. Perforated holes. A lot of people would have preferred Nike Air on the back, but this will pass because it's close enough to the P. You gotta have some separation, right? So you got that navy blue Nike, just Jumpman with the Air, and again you got the low elephant print on the ass. Then you can see on the medial side, like so. I'm gonna move back, got too many shadows so you can see that. And you get open close, like I said, you got that wrinkle stanker like a football or a basketball. Then coming in on the back on the knee, you got sole, and then you got your carpet like materials, which is very nice on this shoe. Inside you got the shoe tree. I've seen people do pink laces. I think that's pretty dope for the homie sneaker Holly bees. And the shoe tree, again, you see it says 10 to 10 and a half. Inside it has red, so I like when they do that Team Jordan like they did on the Jordan 5 Michigan. And you got your QR code. So I think these are very clean pair of kicks, and I guess the audience on Who Has the Heat agrees, because again, like I said, that's the shoe that brought home the bacon. So the bro go Weezy. Now on a little meter, I'm getting this shoe about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. For those of you who compare this to the Katrina, which one do you think is best? All right, the Katrina just basically has the red here, right? So which one you think is best, the Katrina 3 or the UNC 3? Leave a comment suggestion below. I guess I'm gonna eventually get off my butt so we can get moving and get to the next giveaway, 7,500, and the big giveaway, 10K. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Emoneyshoes, KO4. I'm out. Peace.